He's got his hairbrush. Bye-bye. Hey. What you got? I got my brush.
I'm gonna get your fatties. I'm gonna get your fatties. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Okay, well then get me.
Brush his hair. Brush Grandpa's hair.
Brush his hair. Make it pretty.
Make Grandpa pretty.
So give me how nice you look with the cap.
Oh, I see you.
Lord. Ow.
Honk Grandpa's
Ow.
nose.
Honk, honk.
Honk.
Honk. Honk, honk. Honk. Honk, honk, honk. You can really honk.
Yay.
What? Here you go. Here you go. Whoop.
Uh-oh.
Stand up on your own 2 feet. Stand up like a man.
Oh, push him down, Grandpa. Bye.
He goes in, touches the tree, spins around, and comes back. It's like the tree is brand new every time he walks in.
So silly.
Is that it?
He's so happy.
I need some action here. It's getting boring.
Dave, take your shirt off.
Dave, take your shirt off. Yeah, that's action. That was hurting my eyes. I had to.
He just said grandpa twice.
He did?
He did.